Should we move that table right there?
All right, this is your time right here to shine.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do one side at a time.
Okay, let's do that.
So yeah, just keep that away.
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's good. All right, guys, so it's day one of our Week to Wicked, and we've done an early Mustang, we've done a late model Mustang. This time we're doing a what?
Fox body.
He said it, Fox body. I personally have not built one of these, so we have some help. Behind us is the guys from Maximum Motorsport, and what they're doing, they're prepping the subframe connectors now. And the reason we're doing this first is because we needed the car loaded on the wheels so nothing's twisted, so the car stays true to itself. They're gonna get these welded in. From there, we're gonna get it over to our two-post lift. Yeah. We're kind of happy. We got ourselves a new toy over there, which I'll introduce you guys to once we get over there. But for now, let's let these guys get back to work, get those welded in. That way we can get back on the suspension too. All right, so what we're doing now is we're just prepping the subframe connectors, taking off the powder coat, that way they can weld them in.
Right now, the guys in the background are working on the passenger side full-length subframe connector. It's one of the first modifications we should be doing on a Mustang. Just helps stiffen up the chassis, get it ready for all the other modifications we're going to be doing, making the suspension stiffer, putting some more power to the ground, hopefully going around some corners and having some fun.
Wow. Watch your feet.
All right, so the guys finished up the subframe connectors. Car's nice and stiff now. We're gonna bring it over to the two-post lift, disassemble everything so we have a foundation to start with. That way we can get the front and rear suspension going. He's not around. It's ready.
All right, it's ready down here.
I don't want it to drop on you.
Go ahead.
It looks like it's gotta come to low. Oh no, it can't. The steering goes right through it.
The steering shaft goes through it.
So we gotta take the steering shaft off first.
Oh.
Sorry. All right, so Mark's over there and I'm over here and we are tearing down the car so we can get the engine out. Christian's taking the steering shaft off now. That way we can get the header out. The guys are in the back from Maximum Motorsport tearing down this rear suspension. So we're gonna go in the air, tear the tranny out, and then lift the engine out, and we're gonna be looking good. Let's see what we got here.
I don't love the converter.
Drop them off when we can take the rear end out. Taking a while to go in.
We can definitely do that.
Yeah.
So Jason's leaving the hard work for me. About normal.
Pulling the rear springs out. Then we can do the control arms and pull the whole rear end with the drive shaft out at one.
Man, where's that big boy at?
Woo!
Ah, got it.
Take that.
I lied, the tranny must be empty.
Not enough to drain out. You need a big one. Well, let's get the bigger gun.
Wow. Better or no?
No.
That's all you needed.
So our Week to Wicked Fox Mustang is basically a long-term project car, if you will. For the last 28 years, over roughly 4 or 5 different brands, we've used this car for various projects. So with the Week to Wicked build, it's finally a chance for me to take the car and basically start over with a clean slate and build it to do what I really want to do with the car, which is honestly a little bit of everything. A little autocross, a little bit of drag race, still be able to drive it every day as needed. It'd be a solid running, reliable car.
Well, just trying to get this header out of this car. That is almost impossible. I don't even know how it got in here. Magic. Oh, too bad. Bing. Now let's see if that did the trick. Oh, literally I almost got it. Let me get that sucker a little bit. Yeah, look at that. My man Drew over here.
Oh, the other ones came right out. This is the one that Mark actually could get his hand on and tighten up.
Huh? What? What was that? Huh? Oh, you don't want to come out of the car? Too bad. Too bad, bro.
You okay?
Oh, transmission's just whispering in my ear.
That's just the trans fluid dripping into your ear.
Oh, that's what it is.
Now we can drop it and pull the engine out. Now we're having fun.
Mm-hmm.
Then take the K-member out. Are the engine mounts?
Yes, I took them off.
You're good.
I got them right here.
You're a good kid.
So. We're like Joe Dirt, bro.
All right, so like I mentioned, we had a new toy installed in the shop. This is Drew. And he did the installation last week, and what we're talking about is this giant crane, which is gonna help us tremendously when we're pulling out these engines. We're not using the forklift anymore or the old broken down hoist, so let's do this, man.
Let's do it. All right, we got the Snaptrack system here, half ton, all internal electric. Our boys over at Harrington Hoist hooked us up with a really sweet 2-speed, real quiet.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, man. It's real quiet.
You wanna make sure that one's on, the bolt?
Yep.
Okay, good there.
We do these in 8, 12, and 20-foot length rails. Comes in a kit. Put it together in a weekend. Have you all set?
Okay,
Good?
looking good there.
Here.
You wanna grab an engine stand? We'll put
Yeah,
this on
I'll
there.
grab something.
Okay, cool. You have plenty of room.
Oh, yeah.
All kinds of room.
Perfect.
There you go.
She's in.
Nice.
Beautiful. We're just disconnecting the lines for the power steering.
Okay, the trash can right there.
Okay. There we go.
I guess if we have the crane, we might as well use it.
Yep.
All right, Christian, hook it up. Oh, whoa!
Hey, where did he come
He's been
from?
waiting to do that all day.
Oh, fuel all over your face, huh?
That's how it is, good.
You can wash it if you want.
The suspension that was on the car was a mismatch of different pieces. You know, we've had drag race springs on it, we've had solid bushings, we've had urethane bushings, all sorts of stuff over the years. So with the Maximum Motorsports suspension that we're installing, which starts with their grip box kit and then is custom tailored to our project, which is what they do with every customer. You give them a call and you tell them how much horsepower you're making, you know, what's tire size, the weight of the vehicle, your intended project purpose, and they tailor the kit. So that's exactly what they did for us, which is nothing special. It's the same thing they do for any customer. And once we have that system installed, whether we want to, you know, throw it into a corner at an autocross or we're going to launch it at a drag strip, we know the car is going to be predictable and do what we want it to do.
All right, cool.
You don't have to bring it. There we go.
Bam. Gotta add the sound effects.
This is their torque arm. Bolts to the rear end and then mounts down there at that end with another cross member that we'll install in the car.
That's pretty rad. All right.
What'd you set him at?
220, baby.
I walked out with my 12-year-old twin like a couple months ago.
Whoa. All right, so we're throwing on our EVC brake pads. Mark is getting them in. And as you can see here, they have a different variety of choices for upgrading your brakes. Take a look at that right there. Boom.
Flip it around.
Got it. Sorry guys. So they fell into place pretty good. Yep.
Bracket.
Little more.
Well, I'm not doing anything. I'm watching him put the shock in though. Okay. Why in the hell did we put the shock on everything?
Rent.
Bring her down. Yeah. All right. All right, so day one is wrapped up. Front suspension's in, brakes are on. The Maxim guys even got to the rear, hung the rear in, got the coilovers in. We need to do a little bit of welding up front for the torque arm. Other than that, it's gonna be pretty much wrapped up. So we're gonna get out of here tonight, get a little bit of rest. So thanks for watching and stay tuned tomorrow.